request, I'm going to do a schedule with me for the month of June. I'm actually going to use Screencastify, share with you guys my actual computer screen, show you my monthly goals, the hours I'm going to put in, how I strategically make sure I get those hours, and then I'm actually going to take you into my VIPKID portal and show you how I'm going to schedule out the month of June. So without any further ado, let's head over to Screencastify.
All right, welcome to my browser. The first thing I do before I go into my teacher's portal is I make a budget for the month. I actually keep this in a Google Doc, and I highly recommend this because you can just keep all of your monthly budget goals in one place. And again, if you do this full time, I highly recommend it because it lets you keep track of where you are with your goals versus your actual outcome. But this is my VIPKID budget for the month of June. My June goal is $2,500 for the month, and my monthly outline is as follows. There are 30 days in June, and I'll be working 26 of those days. I'll be taking 4 rest days, 3 are on weekends, and then 1 is a Tuesday that I'm actually going to Cedar Point with my fiance, which is wonderful. Because of that, I will be working 26 days, and then I took the goal I wanted, 2,500, divided it by the 26 days I'll be working, and came up with the idea that I need to make $96 a day for the 26 days, or to break it down even further, 4.5 hours of work, or 9 classes for 26 days. 9 classes for 26 days. Outline per week, once again, I just put it down here. 9 classes per day times 6 days a week, which equals roughly 54 classes per week. And then down at the bottom, I just outline it again so I can see where my calculations do indeed come from. So 54 classes per week is what I need in a 6-day span. Let's click over to my teacher's portal. I tried to get a week where it was completely clean, but the next week on this calendar is when I will be out of town, so my schedule is kind of already fixed and I didn't want to touch it. So we are going to use the week of Monday, June 18th through Sunday, June 24th as our example. I wanted to have a completely clear schedule, but as you can see, my student Jack beat me to that punch. So he is going to be here already, but I would have these open anyway. Right now, so again, the goal is 54 classes per week. So I already know that one of these days will be a day off. Just for example, we will make it Sunday. I will open no classes on Sunday. First thing I do is I open my usual. So for the summer, my usual classes are 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., at least Monday to Friday. That is pretty standard. Now, my goal in the previous month wasn't 2,500. It was actually a little bit less because I was working more music performing jobs and my music studio had a bunch of new students, so I didn't need all of that income to come in. So let's see what we have here. 6 to 10. Let's see here. Boom, boom. There we go. So now we have Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. If you don't know how to do this, you just click over here to your bookings. You go to your portal, click bookings, and you can scroll down, see the week you have. You can see this week, next week, or previous. And then to open or close classes, you have to click unlock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So we have 40 of the 54 classes that we need. Go over here. And then let's say on Saturday, I won't wake up as early. I will do, I'll just do 7 a.m. to 10, and maybe I'll take them out. It just depends. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wish it would show you at the bottom how many you have open for the week. That would be great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 40, and then the Saturday, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So right now, I write it over here. 46 out of the 54 that I need. I'll double check that. Yep. So I definitely need 8 more to be open. For me, because I don't really want to do, because I don't really want to do Sunday classes, like I said before, I'm going to actually open, just because I can and I have the time, I'm going to open 10:30 to midnight, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, where does that put me? Before that was 46. 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm actually at 55 classes right now. So I can either leave it like this. I have 55, 56, 57, 58. I can actually close 1, 2, 3, 4. I can actually keep my 54 slots open and sleep in until 9 a.m. This is a completely doable schedule to get me to where I want to be for the month of June. But in all honesty, I am trying to incorporate 2 days a week that I wake up at 5. That way I can maybe have Saturday and Sunday and keep the 54 a week goal. Now, I know I said in my project proposal that I wanted to work 6 days a week, but if I can get my 54 classes in 5, I'm going to take the 54 classes in 5. So let's say Tuesdays and Thursdays, I want to work 5 to 10. Those are extra 4 slots. So I can close Saturday. I can have Saturdays off. That takes 2. And then if I want to, I can be done. Let's see here. Let's say I want to sleep in on Fridays a little bit more. So I'll do 7 a.m. on Friday. This is still doable. This is actually a little bit nicer because it is still 54 slots, but it gives me both Saturday and Sunday off to sleep. Now, one other way that I have gotten these slots in the month of June is I will come down here and I will actually open from 9:30 to midnight. So that's an extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And actually on Thursday, I can do 7, 8, 9. Now I have 9 slots I can close up top and still keep 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I might just leave an extra 1 open. Now once again, this is just another option of something that you can do if you are looking for different ways to hit your goals. But I just showed you 3 different ways I could still get 54 slots in for the week. Now let me double check everything, make sure I didn't mess up my math. Yeah, this schedule gets me to 55 a week. And if I'm very honest, I like this schedule because not only does it give me Saturday and Sundays off, it also gives me no 5 a.m. mornings. There are some times where I don't have the evenings available because of rehearsals, and I will have to open up 5 to 10, 5 days a week, and then maybe a couple Saturday, Sunday, or Friday night because we don't have rehearsal teaching options. It just really depends on the week, and that is the beauty of this job. But for right now, if I wanted to make $2,500 and I wanted a normal 9 to 5 with my Saturday and Sundays off, this is a completely doable schedule. And if I wanted to make a little bit more, I could open my 6:30 and my 6 all across the board. And once again, if all of them book, that is money for you. That is just your schedule going up and up and up and up. Anyway, I hope this worked out for you guys. Let me know if you have any other scheduling questions.
And there you have it. That is how I am going to budget out the month of June. This method of scheduling and this way of thinking has really helped me in terms of being my own boss and making sure I have enough hours in my schedule each and every week. If you guys have any other questions or have a request on a certain video topic you'd like to see covered, leave them down below in the description box. And if you are interested in VIPKID and want a mentor to help you through the interview and mock process, my information is linked down below. If you apply through my link, it costs you nothing, but I give out free mentoring sessions to get people into the program. And summer is the best time as kids are out of school and our bookings are expected to double in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Anyway, that's all for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.